right, Sari, ready? Go. Let's do it in under 45 seconds.
Right.
Get that base in this 4-door sedan.
Oh, crap.
Okay, first things first. Lay the seat back. Neck first, into the driver's seat.
Our doors need to open. Or there.
I think you gotta tilt it. You gotta pivot.
Pivot! I'm gonna snap the neck on it.
Let's not do that. We probably should put the driver's. There you go. There you go.
Okay.
Swing it around into the back seat. There you go. There you go. Come on, girl. You got this. Under 45 seconds. Oh, we're over. We're at 54 seconds.
Damn it!
What did she just say? You're grounded. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Unlock the door. Unlock it, you dork. There you go. Oops.
Oh, shut it!
All right. Okay. What? And that's how girls get shit done.